Imagine having an AI assistant that can write articles, analyze documents, answer complex questions, and even help you code. In today's video, we're going to explore Claude AI, one of the most powerful artificial intelligence tools available today. Claude AI is an advanced artificial intelligence chatbot developed by the company Anthropic. It is designed to help people with writing, research, coding, and problem solving. Many experts consider Claude AI to be one of the strongest alternatives to ChatGPT. Claude AI uses advanced machine learning models to understand human language and provide intelligent responses. You can ask it questions, upload documents, and even request summaries of long texts. One of the biggest advantages of Claude AI is its ability to understand large documents and provide detailed summaries. It can also generate articles, explain complex topics, help with coding tasks, and assist with research projects. When comparing Claude AI with ChatGPT, both tools are extremely powerful. However, Claude AI is known for handling longer documents and providing more detailed explanations in certain cases. Claude AI is useful for students, freelancers, content creators, and developers. Writers can generate blog posts, developers can get coding help, and researchers can analyze long documents quickly. Artificial intelligence tools like Claude AI are changing how we work and learn. In the future, AI assistants will become even more powerful and will help people complete tasks faster than ever before. If you enjoyed learning about Claude AI, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the Smart Work AI channel for more AI tools and technology tutorials.